Hey guys, Jake Breen here with Team Utah Cribs at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Utah Properties. It's March 15th, 2019, and this is just a bit of a teaser video for our favorite video of the year that we'll do on April Fools. Remember, every April Fools we film a video that talks about Salt Lake County appreciation and what it's going to be between April 1st and the 4th of July, because that's the time of year we see the most appreciation. But before we do that, let's talk a little bit about the market. I was just in Las Vegas speaking at the Berkshire Hathaway Annual Convention, and the question I got the most often was, what's going on in your market? And everybody's in a bit of turmoil. Is it up? Is it down? Is it gonna crash? What's going on? You need to watch our old videos to know what happened during the recession and the rebound. I don't have time to dive in all that, and people say the videos are too long. So I'm gonna tell you exactly what's going on now. I'm calling it the tale of two markets, because affordable housing, which is still very low in inventory, is still appreciating at a rather rapid pace, whereas luxury, and for all of Salt Lake County, I'm gonna say luxury is 750,000 and above. We're seeing some mixed numbers as far as inventory and pricing. But what I'm about to tell you might really shock you. This is hot off the press as of this morning. If you look at all the properties in Salt Lake County and compare them to the same month last year, some trends start to emerge. And let me show you what that looks like. Last September of 2018, we started the very first month in which we sold less units than that same month of 2017, that same month a year ago in all of Salt Lake County. And guess what? September 2018, October 2018, November 2018, December 18, and so far January 19 and February 2019, we've continued the same trend now for 7 months in a row of selling less units that month than the same month the prior year. That's considering all property sales in all of Salt Lake County. Not major cause for alarm, because guess what? During those same months, if you compare to the prior year, we still saw appreciation. So selling less units, but appreciating more. And we saw about an average of 8% each month. So if you compare January of 2018 to January of this year, pricing was still up 8%. What does that tell you? Well, again, a teaser to our video that's coming up in a few weeks, but yes, the reality is if you're looking under 400, it's extremely likely that there'll be a little more inventory, but the pricing is still moving up on you, and you're not gonna save enough money while you wait to make a difference in the time that you waited, meaning more time costs you more money. The best deal you're gonna get is now. Okay, those exact same months and numbers, let's look at the market of just 400 and under in Salt Lake County. Again, September of 2018 was the turning month, and in that month we sold less units than September of 2017, even under 400. And the same trend continued for October, November, December, January, and February right up to now. And it's mid-March as I film this. But pricing in 400 and under. Remember, the last stats I talked about was the entire market. Now we're looking at just 400 and under. If you compare to the same month of the prior year, it's up an average to 10 to 12%. So let's put real math to that. Right now, in March of 2019, if you could have bought in March of 2018, you'd have saved 12% on your home. Or if you did buy, your home's likely gone up between 10 and 12% in the past year if it was under 400. All right, last set of data to look at. Let's look at luxury. Let's apply those same months and numbers to 750 plus. This is gonna shock you. September of 2018 versus September of 2017, we sold more units over 750. Same thing in October, same thing in December, same thing in January. So we got a mixed signal there. We're selling more units as of recent in the luxury price range, perhaps because of appreciation, in the 750 plus. But all 7 recent months compared to the same months a year ago have average price going down, Not significantly, but in decent amounts, 4 to 7% compared to the same month in the prior year. All right, if you're totally confused now, here's the message. If you're shopping 400 and under, by now, the house price is still going up on you. I don't care what anyone says. If you're in between kind of that 400 to 750, let me do a private analysis for you on where you're shopping. If you're 750 plus and you're a buyer, you're getting about the same amount of choices, but the prices are actually going down a little bit, okay? That's not necessarily a reason to wait because interest rates and all that matter, but we're seeing a waffling there. If you're a seller at 750 plus, sorry for what you read on the news, sorry for maybe what friends are telling you, but if they're telling you to hold off or time the market, they're wrong. Actually, you've been losing money if you've been waiting to sell since last September. Hope this helps you make an educated decision when it comes to your real estate. If you've got a personal situation, we're cool, guys. Shoot us an email, shoot us a text, give us a call. We'll get answers to you, and we'll answer your questions with real information.